In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best digital soldering microscope available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive digital soldering microscope that our team of microscope testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Andonstar is a manufacturer that specializes in digital microscopes. They have been on the market since 2008, and they are located in Shenzhen with their own manufacturing team. A digital microscope is a go-to option to work efficiently and get the most detailed and precise images when soldering. Because these microscopes are such a popular item in the industry, there is quite a selection, which can become overwhelming and confusing. To help you out, we constructed a list of our favorite digital microscopes for soldering. Besides a good soldering station, neat and professional soldering needs many other accessories. One of those accessories is the best digital soldering microscope. It helps us carefully solder tiny or very close components with high accuracy and the best possible cleanness. Digital soldering microscopes are one of the basic needs of professional soldering, especially if you have some SMDs to work with. The beauty is you can inspect and see all the detail of any electronic circuit on its big display screen. Now, choosing the best digital microscope for soldering can be confusing for the first time. You need to have some basic understanding of what to look for in a good scope, which brands to select, and perhaps a lot of other questions. So here are top 5 best digital soldering microscope. At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more video. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.